Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. I am Dr. Shashank Prabhu. I am the founder at Point 99 and I have been a CAT 100 percentiler. Now I know that CAT Quant is one of the biggest hurdles in you getting a 99 percentile or even a 90 or a 95 percentile for that matter. And you'll be surprised to know that in most cases, 50%, half of your score is going to come from the QA section. So do not take the QA section lightly is one advice that almost everybody gives every CAT aspirant. But a lot of people start strongly, but then they can't really land their preparation because they are not able to apply the concepts that they have studied. Now, if you have studied your concepts, you're not able to apply them. That is basically a function of not solving the right kind of questions. And to address that particular bit, we are going to have quant workshops from our side for the 0.99 students. You can check out the quant workshops program by using the link in the description box below. We are going to have a very exciting workshops journey this time because this time the workshops program is bigger and better than what it was like last year. So this year we are going to have 30 live workshops. You are going to have 2 strategy sessions in addition to these workshops, and we are going to have 2000 questions that are going to have detailed solutions as well. These are all CAT level questions or slightly beyond that as well. So in this particular context, you are going to be covered end to end in terms of this particular program. And also, if you are someone who is struggling with quant concepts, then I will suggest buying the mastery version of this program. Again, the link to that will be there in the description box below, wherein you will also get access to the concept videos, all of which have been recorded by me. So you are going to get access to me entirely throughout the entire sequence of events that's going to happen. The workshops are going to start from the 17th of August, and we are going to be together for the entirety of August, September, and sometime till October as well. So make sure that you sign up at the earliest and give your chances of cracking the CAT a big boost, a big fillip, and you come out victorious on the other side once we are done with the CAT. So make sure that you sign up at the earliest. To check out all the relevant links in the description box below. In case you have a doubt, do let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you with your enrollment and in terms of the details about these workshops that we are going to conduct. Happy learning everyone, and I hope to see a lot of you attending the first class on the 17th of August.